Hey everyone, I'm here with a quick story on Wendy Williams' estranged ex-husband, Kevin Hunter. So Kevin has been fighting Wendy Williams kind of like guardian, saying that his alimony payment, so to speak, was unjustly stopped about maybe 2 years ago. And as a result, he's destitute, okay? So I'm just summing it up like that. He said he's destitute and he desperately needs the money that Wendy was supposed to be paying him because he doesn't have any other income otherwise. Well, now the Guardian is fighting back. The Guardian said that the stipulation pretty much said that he will get payments as long as Wendy Williams' income did not change. And she said it was a significant dip in Wendy Williams' income to the point where she's saying Kevin Hunter was overpaid and she wants him to pay back Wendy Williams $112,000. Well, he done started some mess. Listen, we're going to get right into the story. Let me share screen with a hot mess. So Wendy Williams' guardian demands her ex-husband Kevin Hunter return $112,000 that he was overpaid in divorce settlements. See, you talk too much and you talk yourself right into a hole sometime. So Wendy Williams' guardian Sabrina is reportedly attempting to recoup $112,500 from the embattled talk show host ex-husband Kevin Hunter, claiming he was overpaid in divorce settlements. RadarOnline.com has learned. Hunter previously petitioned the court after he stopped receiving money that Williams agreed to pay him as a condition of their divorce. He said he hadn't received servants payments since 2021. As this outlet reported, Williams was placed under court-ordered guardianship in 2022, and Sabrina is in charge of her finances. In the court filing obtained by the U.S. Sun, Sabrina argued that per the marital settlement agreement, the service payments were to end if Williams' annual income dropped below a certain amount. She claimed that Williams' income dipped significantly in October 2021 when she stopped hosting the Wendy Williams show. She continued to pay Mr. Hunter. He says in his motion papers that he was paid through January of 2022. Sabrina wrote, as a result, Kevin has been unjustly enriched by the receipt of 100. Why can't I say this amount right? $112,500, $37,500 times 3 months belonging to Wendy. So he done ran his mouth and now he caught a bill. Williams' guardian requested that this money be returned to the media mogul and moved for a gag order to prevent Hunter from discussing the matter. She also urged the request to reopen the case in court gets dismissed, suggesting arbitration instead. Hunter has requested that the payments resume, demanding Wendy's financial records from their divorce to the present be released. He was married to Williams from November 1999 to January 2020, and they had one child together. Now, let me tell you this, not for the purposes of Kevin Hunter, but more for the purposes of Wendy Williams, because I don't trust Sabrina. I do want her financial records released because I really feel like Sabrina and this guardianship has depleted Wendy Williams' account. Okay. Kevin Jr. is now emancipated and is a full-time student at Barry University in Florida. This is an emergent matter because I rely on the servant's pay for my living expenses and have been without this income for 23 months has affected me greatly, Hunter wrote. Therefore, I respectfully request that the court require Wendy to immediately pay all service payments, which may be due and owing at the time of this court order, he added. Well, listen, if it's up to Sabrina, she's not going to give him any money because she's too busy, in my opinion, stealing the money. Court documents also recently stated that Williams 59 was supposed to be paid $100K per episode for episode of a 4-part documentary that drew backlash from its exposure of her intensely personal battle with dementia. The agreement was laid out in the 18-page contract that the beloved host allegedly signed before she was diagnosed with primary progressive aphasia and frontotemporal dementia. Sabrina questioned the contract's validity and an explosive lawsuit against Lifetime parent company A&E Networks Television, LLC, that was filed as an unsuccessful attempt at preventing the documentary from airing. She was not and is not capable of consenting to the terms of the documentary contract. The lawsuit, which was filed in New York Supreme Court, stated, and no one acting in Wendy's best interest would allow her to be portrayed in the demeaning manner in which she was portrayed in the trailer for the documentary, Sabrina claimed. She also alleged the producers insisted Williams be portrayed in a positive manner like a phoenix rising from the ashes, per the court documents. The series aired on February 24th and 25th. If we'd known she had dementia, no one would have rolled the camera, one of the producers told The Hollywood Reporter. Woo, it looks like Kevin got himself into a pickle. I don't know how he's affording a lawyer for this, but it looks like Sabrina is coming out the gate swinging. And so, Kevin, you better be ready. Now, like I said, the only thing I hope, and this is not for Kevin purposes, is for the purposes of making sure Sabrina is not ripping Wendy Williams off of every dime, and that Wendy Williams' money is really being used towards her care. That's the only reason why I want the financial records to be exposed. But other than that, Kevin Hunter can kick rocks and go get a job like the rest of us. Listen, guys, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. Everybody, thanks for watching. Listen, guys, let me know your thoughts. Do you think that Kevin Hunter has the right to receive more money from Wendy Williams? Okay. And do you think that he should pay back this money that the Guardian claims he owes because he got overpaid according to the terms of their original agreement? And I do remember when that original agreement came out, and that's why he was kind of out of cash, because Wendy Williams was no longer working on the show and making said money. If anything, and I don't know if the agreement said this, that maybe he should get a reduced payment, but do I think he should get anything? I don't, but if he does get something, I most certainly don't think it should have been the original amount that she was supposed to give him before she got ill and was no longer working. So listen, guys, let me know your thoughts. I say Kevin get a job. Kevin gets no more Wendy Williams money. All of her money should go towards her care right now and for her having just a better life into the end of her days with the best care possible. And I also want Sabrina removed, but that's a whole nother story for a whole nother day. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.